Hey, everyone! Welcome to Supernova Quiz. Ready to test your knowledge? Let's see how much you know. Let's start with the easy questions. Here's a fun one. Which planet is the hottest? Mercury, Venus, or Mars? There we go! Here's another challenge, like, how many days are in a week? 5, 6, or 7? That's it. All right, here we go. What color is the sky on a clear day? White, gray, or blue? You absolutely crushed that one. Think you know the answer. How many hours are in a day? 12, 24, or 36? Boom. There you go. Let's keep going. Which is the largest ocean? Atlantic, Indian, or Pacific? Did you pick the right choice? Time for the next question. How many days are in a year? 354, 365, or 366? That's the right one. Think you know the answer. What is the closest star to Earth? Sirius, Sun, or Proxima Centauri? Boom! There you go! Let's see if you're ready for this. How many months are in a year? 10, 11, or 12? Spot on! Let's see if you know this one. Which country is the largest? Canada, China, or Russia? Boom, correct. Here comes another one. What is the color of grass? Yellow, green, or brown? Did you pick the right choice? Now let's move on to the medium level. Here we go again. Which element has the symbol O? Gold, silver, oxygen, or osmium? You either knew it or you didn't. This one might surprise you. How many sides does an octagon have? 6, 7, 8, or 9? Right on! Stay focused on this one. What is the largest planet? Saturn, Jupiter, Uranus, or Neptune? Well done if you got this. Here's another one for you. Which country invented the telephone? France, Germany, United Kingdom, or United States? And that's correct. How fast can your brain process this next one? How many bones are in the human skull? 18, 22, 26, or 30? That was the key. You're halfway there, keep going. Which is the fastest planet around the sun? Venus, Earth, Mercury, or Mars? And we're moving on. This one might surprise you. What is the currency of the United Kingdom? Euro, dollar, franc, or pound? Right on! Think about this carefully. How many muscles are used to smile? 8, 12, 17, or 25? Classic answer right there. Here we go again. Which is the tallest building in the world? Empire State, Burj Khalifa, Shanghai Tower, or Petronas Tower? You either knew it or you didn't. Here's another one for you. How many keys does a standard piano have? 76, 80, 88, or 96? And that's correct. Let's see if you can handle the hard level. Don't second guess yourself. What is the speed of sound? 343 meters per second, 500 meters per second, or 700 meters per second? That one has tripped up so many people. Here's one to think about. Which element has atomic number 79? Silver, gold, or platinum? That's the winning answer. Here comes the next challenge. How many moons does Mars have? 1, 2, or 3? Right answer, right there. Make sure to subscribe and drop a thumbs up if you're still alive. What is the most abundant element in the universe? Oxygen, helium, or hydrogen? Right on the money. Here's one most people miss. Which country has the most Nobel Prize winners? Germany, United Kingdom, or United States? That one's a keeper. This one's all about focus. How many ribs does a human have? 20, 22, or 24? Did you trust your gut? Let's push a little harder. What is the largest moon in the solar system? Titan, Ganymede, or Callisto? And there you have it. Let's see if you can handle this one. Which element has the symbol Fe? Fluorine, francium, or iron? Did you get this one right? Lock it in. Don't miss this one. How many bones are in the human hand? 24, 27, or 30? And that's confirmed. Make sure to subscribe and drop a thumbs up if you're still alive. What is the most abundant gas in the atmosphere? Oxygen, nitrogen, or carbon dioxide? Right on the money. Now for the expert level. Let's see if you can handle this. Here's another question. What is the atomic number of carbon? 4, 6, 8, or 12? And there's your confirmation. This is where it gets brutal. How many chromosomes does a dog have? 39, 52, 78, or 92? Only true geniuses got that right. Here comes a real test. What is the hardest known material? Diamond, graphene, titanium, or tungsten? That one's for the sharpest minds. You're doing great. Keep it up. How many bones are in the human ear? 2, 3, 4, or 5? Only the sharpest get this. This one's going to make you think. Which planet has the longest day? Mars, Jupiter, Venus, or Saturn? Almost everyone misses this. Here's one more for you. How many atoms are in a grain of sand? 1 million, 1 billion, 1 trillion, or 10 trillion? You're making this look like a walk in the park. You're on a roll, keep going. What is the melting point of gold? 864 degrees Celsius, 1064 degrees Celsius, 1264 degrees Celsius, or 1464 degrees Celsius? Not many people get this right. Here's your final challenge. Which country has the most time zones? Russia, United States, France, or Australia? That really kept me on the edge of my seat. This one's going to test your limits. How many muscles does the human tongue have? 4, 6, 8, or 10? And that is how you close it out. This one's going to make you think. What is the rarest element on Earth? Gold, platinum, astatine, or francium? Almost everyone misses this. How many did you get right? Drop your score in the comments. Less than 20, write fire. Between 20 and 29, write strong. And if you got all 30 correct, write crown.